and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy. In today's lesson of Data Science and AI lecture series, we will explore discrete probability distribution and their examples. Probability distributions are fundamental in data science, statistics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. So stay till the end of to learn how they work, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So now let's get started. So the problem first is that two bad articles are mixed with five good ones, and find the probability distribution of the number of bad articles if two articles are drawn at random. So here see that let x be the number of bad articles drawn. So what would be the possible values? There would be 0 bad articles, 1 and 2. And for the 0, that would be here basically 5 C2, that means C means combinations, here 7 C2. And when you solve it, you will get 10 upon 21. The same way, if you take the example, so here for a 1, so see that here because there are only 2, so one may bad, one may good. So out of, see that here 2C1, that is, so there are two bad articles in which that possibility that one is good and one is bad. So out of 2, one is good, and out of 5, one is bad. So there is another possibility, and out of 7, that means 7C2. So the sample size is 7C2. So that will also come 10 upon 21. Now third one, here x is equal to 2. That means both are bad articles. So that will be here 2C2, that would be 1 upon 7 upon 7C2, and thereafter it will come 1 upon 21. But this will come 21. Now let us see another example. Given the probability distribution of x, here for the value of x0, probability is 1 upon 10, 1 3 upon 10, 2 1 upon 2, and 3 1 upon 10. It is probability distribution. You can check that 1 upon 10 plus 3 upon 10 plus 1 upon 2, that means 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 10. So see that here this would be, I can write like 1 plus 3, and that would be 5 plus 1, that is 10. So if you add, that means 10 upon 10, 1. So that is a probability distribution because sum of all probabilities is 1. So let y is equal to x square plus 2x. So we need to find the probability distribution of y. So very simple. If x is equal to 0, so you can see that y is equal to 0. just you will plug the value of x in this expression. Now when x is equal to 1, so here you will plug 1 here, 1 square plus 2 into 1, and that y will be 3. Again when x is equal to 2, then here that will become 4 and that will become 4, and finally we will get y is equal to 8. When x is equal to 3, so that will become 9 and that would be 6. So 9 and 6, y 15. So simply probability assignments are that when y's value is 0, so probability is 1 upon 10. When y's value is 3, probability is 3 upon 10. When y's value is 8, so probability is 1 upon 8. And when y values is 15, so probability is 1 upon 10. So for the probability distribution of x, basically you are transforming there is a transformation, means you are finding probability distribution of transformation, and transformation is defined as like this one. So let us see the next one. An urn contains 3 white and 4 red balls. So here 3 white and 4 red balls. 3 balls are drawn one by one with replacement. So find the probability distribution of the number of red balls. Remember here, we need to find out probability distribution of the number of red balls. So let us define, let x be the number of red balls drawn. So we have defined random variable is the number of red balls drawn. Now what is the possible values? So 3 balls are drawn. So because this is discrete random variable, so values may be 0, 1, 2 and 3. So when p x is 0, so there is no red ball, so only white balls, and the probability would be 27 upon 343. When x is equal to 1, so here you can say that p r1 intersection w2 w3, or it may be at second position or it may be a third position. So we will find the probabilities of this one and we will add them, because either may be here or here or here, so there is union, so just we have added them. Now when x is equal to 2, so it may be at first second position, second and third, first and third, or second and third, and thereafter we will have probability like this one, 144 upon 343. When x is equal to 3, so only red balls, there are no white balls, so 64 upon 343. So hope you understood. For more resources and posts, you can visit website www.postnetwork.co. You can also visit YouTube channel for a playlist and videos. You can also follow Facebook page of PostNetwork Academy. You can connect to LinkedIn page. So hope you understood. Thanks for watching the video.